Hello, our dear friends. We are happy to see you. This is HappyMilaTV, the place of fun and joy. Yes. Wow, you can move your eyebrows. Wow, you're a lovely girl. And today I have for you this lovely. Wow, you can jump very high. So we have this train Brewster from Chuggington cartoon series, and he comes with the remote control, and we'll see now. How he will roll. Yeah. Good. So Chuggington will soon roll and go. Ta-da! So we need.
What? Papa.
Oh.
What?
What? The remote control.
Это папа.
Show me. What? Do we have batteries inside here? Wait, okay. Oh, you see, you can. Yes, you. Now you're a good girl. Now you know how to install batteries. Okay, so here we go. Go.
О, тыка. Это тыкала оборзить, она тыкала так. Не бойся.
Push this button. Boom. So Brewster from the Chuggington cartoon. It's the cartoon series are about trains. It's about trains, and they accomplish different tasks. Chuggington can do twists, twirls, and he can go forward.
Hello. I am Brewster. I am a friend of Chuggington. I am happy to see you.
So this is remote control Brewster. You just saw it all yourself. Get this one and play. It's a lot of fun, and you can use it anywhere you want on the floor, and you can have a lot of fun. So thank you for watching, dear friends, and we'll see you again soon.